It needs to stop.
It needs to stop.
It needs to stop.
People need to pay attention.
People need to pay attention.
People need to pay attention.
It happens every day.
It happens every day.
It happens every day.
They can't breathe. They can't breathe. They can't breathe.
They're helpless.
They're helpless.
They're so helpless.
But you can make a difference.
You can make a difference.
But you can make a difference.
You can save a life.
You can save a life.
And you can save a life.
My name's Alex, and we're all supporters of the Stop Sitting on Puppies campaign. 1 in every 100 puppies will die from sitting upon these furry little friends.
That's one puppy every 3 seconds. You can help stop this genocide.
For just 3 low payments of $69.69, you can save a life. This epidemic cannot be ignored anymore.